Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning October 17th to the 23rd, 2022, using this kit from LynnerDesigns. I think it's called Monster Driving. Well, that was the name of the art from what's it called, from Kidney Girl Jess, and I paired it with a foil bundle. I think this was the foil bundle that went with the kit, also from LynnerDesigns, in this like blue hollowish color. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I also paired it with some back underlace from the Plan Pixie Go, which came in an oops grab bag, so I only had one sheet of it. So I alternated between that and the underlace that came with the kit, with the foil bundle. And then I tried to do a extender hack with the toolboxes and do 3 extenders, but it was a bit of a mess, and then I ended up having to basically rip it off and just use one. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the base, and I'll be back for the day by day. Okay, so starting with the sidebar. Oh, sorry for the cars outside. I noted having a movie night this week, which I watched with the theme of the kit, with this girl from Fox and Cactus, and a movie night script from the foil bundle. And then I marked that it was week 35 of maternity leave, with a script from PMD Stickers and a maternity leave girl from Bella Plan Ella. So starting with Monday, I marked that I woke up early with an alarm clock icon from the foil bundle. I then marked having my morning cup of tea, which I started marking because I don't always eat breakfast, but I always drink tea, in fact, for the most part, with this tea icon from the Honeybee shop. I then marked that Malik kept saying Dada all day, with this says Dada heart icon from PMD Stickers and a Malik script from McPlans. I then marked a Cuddling Malik with this PMD Sticker girl and a Cuddle Malik custom script from Tilly Journals. Next, I marked getting some takeout with a burger icon from the foil bundle and a takeout script from Cardi Plans. Then noted a Plan With Me binge with this Fox and Cactus girl and a binge watch script from McPlans. Then marked watching more Shadowhunters with this Simon sticker and a TV binge script from McPlans. And then I noted watching Grey's Anatomy again. So the ones I already watched, I just rewatched it because I was missing it and I had to wait until Thursday and I couldn't wait. With this pill bottle sticker from the Doodle Sheet and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. On to Tuesday, I marked that my mum left to go somewhere with this plain icon from Paper K. Then having my morning tea with this tea icon from the Doodle Sheet. I noted FaceTiming with my sister-in-law, well, Malik FaceTiming with his aunt with this phone from Paper Candy Art and a With My Aunt script from Planner Hannah. I then marked that Malik had a poop explosion, basically, with the poop sticker from SPC. I love that it was purple, so it matched my colour blocking. Then I marked having some cuddle time with this Once More with Love sticker and a Cuddle Malik script from Tilly Journals. marked more Shadow Hunters with another sticker from Jane and Paper Co. who's no longer open, and a script from Make Plans. I know it started a Hallmark binge of like all the Hallmark movies for the past years. Well, I didn't do all, but just the ones that seemed interested to me. With this sticker from the Doodle Sheet. Then marked cooking dinner with this whimsy girl and a cooked dinner script from Make Plans. On to Wednesday, I first marked that Malik had a laying, which was a shock, with this PMD sticker and a sleeping script from SBC. I then marked having some tea with this drink cup sticker from the foil bundle. I then marked FaceTiming with somebody, don't know who, I don't know why I didn't mark it in, with a phone icon from the Doodle Sheet and a FaceTime script from Make Plans. I then marked watching more Shadow Hunters with another Jane and Paper Co sticker and a script from Make Plans. I marked cuddling Malik with a whimsy character and a script from Tilly Journals. Then I marked another Hallmark movie binge with this Fox and Cactus sticker. And then I noted having a roast dinner with this cutlery icon from the kit. On to Thursday, I marked being tired AF with this pillow icon from the kit and a tired AF script from Carly Plans. I marked having some morning tea with a teacup sticker from Paper K. Then I marked watching private practice with this plaster sticker from the kit. Next, I noted that Malik was 8 months with this baby sticker from Paper Dolls Co. And a Malik is an 8-month script from both from Adobe LynnerDesigns. I then marked making my Tesco order with this grocery cart icon from the kit and a Tesco order script from from PlanWithAds. I then marked filming a couple bases with this Sweet Ava's paper sticker, and then I marked having some more of the roast that I had made with this cutlery icon from the foil bundle. And then I know that my cousins came over with this clinking glass from the icon from the foil bundle and a with the girl script from PlanWithAds. On to Friday, I marked drinking some tea with a teacup icon from the Honeybee shop. I then marked Malik having some playtime with this teddy bear icon from PlanWithAds and a playtime script from Make Plans. I marked more cuddles with this Pink Diamond Planner Co sticker and a Cuddle Malik script from Tilly Journals. Then I marked watching The Good Doctor with a TV icon from the foil bundle and a script from LynnerDesigns. Next, I marked watching Grey's Anatomy with this pill bottle icon from the foil bundle and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. And then I used a TV/computer screen icon from the Doodle Sheet to mark watching Station 19. Next, I noted watching some more Plan With Me's with this Planner Girl sticker from Fox and Cactus and a binge watch script from Make Plans. And then I marked that my husband bought me some Beats with this headphone icon from Goldman and Coco. On to Saturday. The top of Saturday, I marked that Malik was with his dad with this sticker from Paper Shire and a with Papa script from Tilly Journals. I marked having some tea with the teacup icon from Paper K again. I marked more Shadow Hunters with another icon from Jane and Paper Co. and a TV binge script from Make Plans. Next, I marked some playtime with a teddy bear icon from PlanWithAds and a playtime script from Make Plans. I marked doing my husband's hair with a Paper Dolls Co. character and a J. Oh, that's not a script, that's my writing, sorry. I next marked binge watching more Plan With Me the same way I had the rest of the week. Then I marked getting my Tesco order with a grocery bag icon from the foil bundle and a grocery script also from the foil bundle. Then I marked getting some takeout with the burger icon from the kit and a takeout script from Carly Plans. On to Sunday. At the top of Sunday, I marked having some more morning tea with a teacup icon from the Honeybee shop. Then marked cuddling in my son with this whimsy sticker, and then more playtime with a teddy bear icon from PlanWithAds and a playtime script from Make Plans. I then marked watching more Shadow Hunters with another Jane and Paper Co character. I then marked a Plan With Me binge the same way, and then finally I marked my husband gaming with a Make Plans sticker and script. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread.